Skills says its platform awards more than $100 in prizes every month, but that figure covers the entire platform and is not a guarantee of what an individual player can earn. By the end, you'll know 5 games with real money competition in 2026, how their payout systems work, and which one fits the way you actually want to play. At number 5 is A. Blackout Bingo. It is a competitive bingo game available through Skills, with free matches and cash competitions. Your payout depends on your tournament result, so the game rewards performance rather than simply time spent playing. Cash competitions are subject to location and eligibility restrictions. Number 4 is Ein Pool Payday. Pool Payday uses competitive pool gameplay, so your result is based on your ability to control shots and score more effectively than your opponent. It is a better match for players who prefer a traditional skill game instead of card or puzzle gameplay. At number 3 is A21 Blitz Direkt. It combines blackjack-style decisions with solitaire mechanics in fast competitive matches. Skills includes 21 Blitz among its cash competition games, giving players another option if they prefer card-based strategy. Number 2 is Solitaire Cashin. Its tournaments use timed solitaire gameplay, and the entry fee and prize structure are displayed before you enter. A standard game lasts 5 minutes. For example, one listed, high-stakes tournament has a $12 prize pool, with $6.70 for first place, $3.80 for second, and $1.50 for third. That structure makes solitaire cash easier to evaluate before you commit money, because you can see the potential prize distribution in advance. Number 1 is Ein Skills in, as the overall platform. Instead of being limited to one game, Skills currently offers multiple competitive titles, including Blackout Bingo, 21 Blitz, Solitaire, Spades, Yahtzee, Sudoku, Bubble Shooter, and Pool Payday. Skills also reports more than 4 million tournaments every day. The advantage is variety. If you are better at cards than bingo, you can choose a different game instead of starting over on another platform. The important distinction is between advertised prize pools and personal earnings. None of these games guarantees that you will make money, and cash tournaments can require an entry fee. So if you want bingo, start with Blackout Bingo. For pool, try Pool Payday. For card strategy, check 21 Blitz or Solitaire Cash. If you want several game types under one platform, Skills gives you the broadest selection. Before entering a paid tournament, check the entry fee, prize distribution, withdrawal rules, and whether cash play is available in your location. Start with free matches where available, learn the scoring system, and only risk money you can afford to lose. If this ranking helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming comparisons.